Hello, friends. If you're over 60, I want to take a moment to share something that could have a meaningful impact on your health. Something so simple, yet so often overlooked. Baking soda water. Every second, your body is working hard behind the scenes, fighting off inflammation, neutralizing acid buildup, and repairing cellular damage. And as we age, that battle gets tougher. The good news is, there's a small step you can take that may help support that process. I'm talking about adding just 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water. Yes, it's that simple, and emerging research suggests this humble remedy may help. Reduce systemic inflammation, support kidney function and slow its natural decline, balance pH levels in your body, and even help your muscles function better as you age. It's something many of my patients have never heard of, or if they have, they've been using it the wrong way. In fact, studies show that nearly 99% of seniors either don't know about this or aren't using it correctly. In our video, we break down 7 powerful science-backed benefits of baking soda water, ranked from the most common to the most life-changing, so you can see what it might do for you or a loved one. From easing indigestion and joint pain to helping protect your heart and bones, the potential is real when used properly. Now, I want to be clear. This isn't a magic cure or a replacement for your doctor's advice, but it's one of the most affordable, natural tools we have in preventive health. When taken in moderation and with medical guidance, it can become part of a larger strategy to help you feel stronger, move better, and age with more confidence. If this message resonated with you, or if you have someone in your life who could benefit from it, please like this video and share it. Sometimes it's the simplest habits that make the biggest difference, and your support helps others discover the same tools that might change their health for the better. Today, I want to talk with you about something simple, but surprisingly powerful: baking soda water. When used properly and in moderation, this everyday remedy may help support your digestion, joints, kidneys, heart, and more. Let's walk through some of the evidence-backed benefits and how you can use it safely at home. 1. Eases indigestion and acid reflux. If you're dealing with heartburn or indigestion, especially after meals, you're not alone. Acid reflux is one of the most common issues I see in seniors. Clinical studies show that 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in water can relieve reflux symptoms faster than many over-the-counter antacids, often in under 5 minutes. How to use it? Mix 1/2 teaspoon in 6 to 8 ounces of water. Sip slowly on an empty stomach, at least 2 hours after eating. Avoid more than 2 doses per day, and please don't use it long-term without medical supervision. 2. Supports kidney function. Your kidneys filter roughly 50 gallons of blood every day. As we age, their efficiency can naturally decline. A major 2009 study found that among seniors with kidney disease, only 9% of those taking baking soda progressed to end-stage failure, compared to 45% who didn't use it. Baking soda helps by reducing metabolic acidosis, a silent condition that overworks the kidneys. How to use it? Dissolve 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in a glass of water and drink once daily between meals or before bedtime. Stay well hydrated. Aim for at least 1.5 liters of water a day, unless your doctor advises otherwise. 3. Reduces joint pain and inflammation. Nearly half of all seniors experience joint pain, stiffness, or inflammation. Baking soda water may offer some relief. A 2018 study found it lowered key inflammation markers in just 2 weeks and reduced uric acid, often responsible for gout. How to use it? Mix 1/2 teaspoon in water and drink it on an empty stomach, a few days per week. For best results, combine with anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, berries, and leafy greens. 4. Improves muscle endurance and reduces fatigue. Muscle fatigue isn't just about getting older, it's often about acid buildup during activity. In a controlled trial, those who drank baking soda before exercise had 20% more endurance and 40% less soreness. How to use it? Take a half teaspoon in water 30 to 60 minutes before physical activity. Start with once or twice a week. Combine this with proper hydration and light stretching. 5. Helps prevent bone loss. Did you know your bones act like a buffer for acidity? That means chronic acid buildup may literally leach minerals like calcium and magnesium from your bones. Studies show baking soda can help reduce this breakdown and improve calcium retention, especially in high-risk areas like the hips and spine. How to use it? Take 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in water between meals. Pair it with calcium-rich foods and weight-bearing exercise for stronger bones over time. 6. Supports. Heart health. Arterial inflammation is one of the silent drivers of heart disease, and the risk increases dramatically as we age. A 2018 study revealed that baking soda activates anti-inflammatory pathways in the body, helping reduce harmful cytokines that can damage blood vessels. How to use it? Stir half teaspoon into filtered water and drink once daily, away from meals and medications. Combine this habit with walking, clean eating, and key minerals like magnesium and potassium. 7. Fights cellular aging. This is perhaps the most exciting area of research. As we age, cellular damage from acidity and inflammation can accelerate fatigue, brain fog, and physical decline. Studies show baking soda may improve mitochondrial performance, reduce DNA damage, and enhance energy production at the cellular level. How to use it? Take 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in 6 to 8 ounces of water on an empty stomach, 3 to 4 days per week, ideally in the morning or late afternoon. Combine this with real food, restful sleep, and gentle movement. Final thoughts. Let me be clear. Baking soda water is not a cure-all, but when used wisely, it's one of the most affordable and effective tools we have to support your health as you age. If you're considering trying this, talk to your doctor first, especially if you're managing blood pressure, kidney issues, or are on medications that affect sodium levels. And if you found this helpful, I encourage you to like and share this video with others. A small step like this might be just what someone needs to feel better, move better, and age with more confidence. Stay well and take care of yourself, because you deserve to thrive, not just survive. As a physician who's spent decades caring for older adults, I want to leave you with some final thoughts that I believe are essential, especially if you're considering adding baking soda water to your routine. First, remember this: less is more. When it comes to baking soda, a small dose, just 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in water, is all you need, and only 2 to 4 times per week on an empty stomach. This isn't something to overuse or rely on daily. Think of it as a gentle support tool for your body, not a substitute for proper medical care or a balanced lifestyle. Also, hydration is everything. Your kidneys, joints, and cells depend on adequate water to function well, especially when introducing something like baking soda into your system. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of clean water a day, unless your doctor advises otherwise. And please, if you have kidney issues, high blood pressure, heart conditions, or you're on a sodium-restricted diet, make sure to speak with your healthcare provider first. Your safety and long-term health always come first. Let me be very clear. Baking soda water is not a cure-all, but it is a science-supported tool that, when used thoughtfully, may help your body fight back against the slow changes that come with aging. Sometimes, all your body needs is a little signal that says, "We're still in control." Because your body isn't failing, it's adapting, and the right habits can help it adapt in your favor. If this information has been helpful, I encourage you to like this video and share it with someone you care about. You never know who might benefit from something this simple. And if you'd like more personalized guidance, feel free to drop your age and health concern in the comments. My team and I are happy to guide you with tips tailored to your situation. Take care, stay strong, and keep taking smart steps toward better health. You're worth it.